In this tutorial, we'll explore struts2 and struts1 with eclipse and ant. We'll show the differences, just the initial differences between struts2 and struts1, and then we will demonstrate a blank application from struts2, another blank application from struts1. Actually, in our previous tutorials, we have demonstrated struts2 blank application. We will be using the exact same application today. This tutorial is very introductory, but still I hope it will be useful. So first we can take a look at the Apache Tomcat. I think in the previous tutorials we used the zipped version of the Apache Tomcat and we clicked on the startup.bat file to execute it. But in this computer I have installed with the Windows installation service, and for this computer I think the starting and stopping of Apache Tomcat will be a little different. You have to use a simple tool for the purpose. So I am just demonstrating that. Click on Start, All Programs, and then Apache Tomcat. It should be somewhere. Okay, this is Apache Tomcat 5.5. I think monitor Tomcat is fine. Okay, you see a little icon here. Just double click on it. Okay, this comes, and then click on Start. We see that the symbol changes to some arrow sign. It means the service has started. And if you want to stop the Apache Tomcat, you just have to click on the stop button and it will get turned off. So I'm just starting the application Apache Tomcat. Okay, at next step, let's show you the difference between struts2 and struts1. Actually, struts2 a completely different framework than struts1, but it is developed based on the same principle struts1 was developed. So if we go to computer.justetc.net, search for the article struts2 versus struts1. Actually, in this search it matches the exact same string, so it's important that you type as it is, or you can take on the struts2 part or struts1 part. It will actually find, then you can also get access to that article. So we see that struts2 versus struts1. I just listed some online resources. You can just read them and then you will get an initial idea how struts1 and struts2 compares and how to migrate from struts1 to struts2. I think there is an article here, migrating from struts1 to struts2. This will help you in migrating. So let's now work with the empty struts applications. Actually, you can get the struts empty application from the Apache websites. think apache.struts.org or struts.apache.org/download.cgi, and you will see the downloadable package. If you download the struts package version 1.3.8 or 2.0.11, in the total package, if you unzip it, you will see an apps folder. Under that you will see some documents, some example applications. One of them will be the blank application. So I can show you again here. So you can skip this part, just focus on the website I go. Take a look at this struts.apache.org download.cgi. Then this is the struts2 framework, struts 2.0.1.2, and you see that this full distribution, if you unzip it under amps directory, you will get some sample application, and here you see that all the example applications are chipped together, and this is the sample blank application that we will use. You can directly download it from here, or you can also take it from the other packages. And this is the struts1 framework, and struts 1.3.8 is the latest released for struts1 framework. If you download this full distribution under apps directory, you will get all the struts examples and also the struts blank example, or you can also download these examples and take it from there. I have already downloaded, so I will be taking it from there. These are the two applications, blank applications, struts 1.3.8, struts 2.1.2. Sorry, I think these are the total downloads, total full distribution. So under apps, this is the blank application or file. I can copy it and deploy it under the Apache Tomcat. So Tomcat 5.5, under web apps. Okay, just I'm pasting it here. It seems it's already there. I can better removing, sorry, I can move everything to a different folder. I'm stopping it. Sometimes it may not allow you to move the applications to elsewhere where it is working. So I'm again going to copy that struts 1.3.1, copy and put it under Tomcat 5.5 web apps, just pasting it here. And also this is the struts 2.1.2 apps directory. I'm just copying the blank or file and putting it under Tomcat. I see some other applications. I can just move them to temporary. So you see, I actually did not plan this tutorial before. I just sit here and started working with it. Just it's a free service, so I'm just trying to record what I am doing. If it helps some other people, that's good. So I can just start the Tomcat, and these WAR files will be unzipped to corresponding files and folders. So you see that these two folders are created and they will run. Okay, I'm just going here, localhost, so it's working. You could actually remove this 8080 in one of the configuration files or configuration window. You can mention the port number to be 80. In that case, you don't have to type 8080 every time. So if you just copy the name and place it here, this is the struts1 framework application that's running. And if you just copy this name here, put it there. So this is the struts2 framework blank application. Now take a look at the structure of these applications.